Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. This is Miss Srijita Ghosh, and in today's video I'm going to show you all my most favorite concealers. But before we start, please do take a moment to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to join the Glam Fam. You can also connect with me on my social media handles via the all-in-one link mentioned right below the description box. So if you're interested to know my most favorite concealers, then please keep on watching. So today I'll be showing 6 of my favorite concealers and 2 from each budget range. One is the drugstore range, the mid-range and the high-end range. Starting off with the drugstore range, I have 2 concealers. The first one is the Mars Camel Concealer. This is the product. I'll show you the texture first and then talk about it. This is what the texture of the concealer is. The shade range is good. You get around 8 shades in this concealer. And the price point is around 200 to 250. This is a lightweight day wear concealer. You can use it for your daily uses, and the coverage on this is a medium coverage since the budget range is within 200. So within that range, the coverage that it's providing is a great one. The blend, the finish of this concealer is a great one, and I really love this concealer. The next concealer from the drugstore category that I love is the iMagic concealer. This is a very liquidy and lightweight concealer. Blends in very easily. Again, a soft matte concealer. As you can see, it's a soft matte concealer, good for daily uses. The price point is around rupees 300 to 350. Very affordable. This is a medium coverage concealer, and I really like this concealer a lot for my daily uses. Moving on to the mid-range options, the first concealer that I really love is the Forever 52 Cover Up Concealer. Comes in a frosted glass packaging. This is what the consistency is. The applicator wand is really soft. This is what the concealer is. This concealer is actually a great concealer for doing your eye bases because it dries down matte, like not a hard matte finish but a satin matte finish. And the budget range of this concealer is around rupees 850 900. So again, a mid-range option and lot of shades. The coverage is bang on. I really like it, and this is what it looks like when it's blended out. So this is a great concealer. The next one that I have from this range is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible Full Wear Concealer. This is my most favorite concealer within this range. Full coverage, like it's a thick concealer. This is what the concealer is. You can use it for your evening looks, for your night looks, for your party looks, for your glam looks, anything. This concealer is a great option within this range, and the price is around 750 to 800, mid-range option. So this is a great concealer, dries down matte on your skin but does not make your skin look dehydrated or anything like that. The coverage is insane. You can cover any blemish, any dark spot or anything with this concealer. You can use it even without a foundation. It gives that great coverage. So this is a great concealer. Moving on to the high end options, सबसे पहले जो concealer है मेरे पास वही है Estee Lauder Double Wear Instafix Concealer. One side you get this serum like thing for your under eyes, like before applying your concealer you apply this. Smells nice and it hydrates your under eye so that your concealer doesn't crack. Now after applying this, you apply the actual concealer. This is what the finish of the concealer is. Blends very nicely, gives medium to buildable coverage, and the budget range for this concealer is rupees 3000 to 3500. You can get it on a discount. This is actually a long wear concealer. You can use it for 24 plus hours if you want to with a good setting spray. And it also, since it's very light and satin, so it does not crease under your eyes, which is why I like this concealer a lot. And this concealer also works for most skin types, which is a great thing about this. The next and the last concealer that I have from the high-end range is this MAC Studio Fix concealer. The concealer is great, the consistency is great. The only problem I have with this concealer is the packaging. As you can see, the wand, I don't know why it dropped off, but the concealer is a great option, so I keep using it like that. It's a thick full coverage concealer. As you know, MAC products are really great. This is, can you see, you don't even need a foundation with this. This feels light on your skin but is very pigmented, again medium to buildable coverage, and it's crease resistant. It also doesn't settle in your fine lines, which is a great thing. Just you need to apply it nicely and know the blending technique. So this is a great concealer. These are my favorite concealers and I highly recommend all of these to you. So that's all I have for today. Do let me know which is your favorite concealer. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and please don't forget to like, share and comment. Catch you all in my next video. Till then, keep glamming up. Bye bye.